In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Elementor. So in order to add a background music on your Elementor, you need to head over to their website, which is elementor.com. And into this part, you can either click on the this Get Started in order to create an account, or click on the this login option in order to log into one. Now, this Elementor needed to be hosted, so you can choose WordPress as your host. From this, head over to WordPress.com and click on to this Get Started in order to actually get started for an account, or click on Login if you already have one. So since I already have one, let's head over and then you can see in here my actual page on WordPress. I have in here this page. Click on this Edit with Elementor option in order to open this right here. So on my page right here, in order to add a background music, we need to utilize a particular widget. So when you search for the elements that you can add using your Elementor, as you can see, music or background music is not one of them. So in order to add that, we need to utilize a third-party application called ElfSite. Head over and create an account on ElfSite, and on your catalog, click onto the search option and search in here for background music. They actually support this and you can see it right here. Click onto this and you should be able to choose in here a template of how it will look like. So on my case, I'll just choose a simple icon just like this right here. Click onto this continue with this template and choose in here the track that you wish to use. So on my case right here, let's head over and click onto this publish option. You can also add tracks, so don't worry about that. And in here, select a plan that you want and in order to install this. I'll choose in here this free plan. And then after that, you should be able to see in here this code. Copy this code, head over to your Elementor, and then into this part, just choose wherein you want to add it. Search in here for HTML, drag and drop it right here, and paste in here the code that we copied. So it will load for a little while, but it will add that particular background music from this. So that's how you add background music in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.